أعوذ بالله بسم الله الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على أشرف النبيين وإمام المرسلين نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه فمن تبع الإحسان إلى يوم لا ينفع مال ولا بنون إلا ما أتى الله بقلب السليم. أما بعد, respected students of knowledge viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His infinite mercy upon us. We send salutation to our noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, his household, his companions, and those who follow his footsteps to the day of accountability. I bear witness that there is no any deity worthy of worship except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is a slave and messenger. Respected students of knowledge, we are presently rounding up our lesson 5 part 4, where we are looking at Muraja'atu al-Muduud. So we are in exercise 3, and that's going to be the last exercise we are going to be treating, inshallah. So you are expected to open to page 38 of the book we are using, Nurul Bayan. Open to page 38 of the book we are using. Yes, respected students, we are now in page 38. So if you look at the top of the page, so we have Muraja'atu al-Muduudi. So Muraja'atu al-Muduud. They say at-Tadrib al-Thalis. This is exercise 3, and that is going to be the last exercise. In exercise 1 and 2 of this our part 4, so we were able to look at what examples on Muduud. So, but ala rasmil Quran. So we brought examples from the Quran, but this time around the author said ala rasmil imla. So how it is being used in imla, so in dictation. So now you are to read after me. Sami wa Yusufa Sadiqani. Sami wa Yusufa Sadiqani. Take note of all the Muduud. You can't say Sadiqani. If you say Qani, you have removed this alif mad. And if you remove this alif mad, it is going to spoil the meaning of the verb, because this verb is trying to dualize, is a dual verb, trying to tell us that both Sami and Yusuf are friends. So if you just say Sadiqani, so this alif is very, very important in dualization in Arabic, because it is called aliful isnain. That's an alif that is used to dualize either a name or a verb. So now, that is why all what you are seeing in Arabic, they are very, very important. You must understand them in total. So you cannot just say Sadiqani. So Sadiqani. Say it, please. Sadiqani. Sami wa Yusufa. Wa Yusufa Sadiqani. Naam. Sami yazuru myself to see the text very well. So let's continue. Sami, Sami, yazuru, yazuru, aqaribahu, aqaribahu, wayusaidu, wayusaidu, jiranahu, jiranahu. Let's read again. Sami, yazuru, aqaribahu, wayusaidu, jiranahu, yusufu, yusufu, qara'a, qara'a, kitabahu, wadakaro, wadakaro, durusahu, durusahu. Again, yusufu, qara'a, kitabahu, kitabahu. Sami, Sami, yazuru, yazuru, yusufa, yusufa, fi maradihi. Sami, yazuru, yusufa, fi maradihi. Sami, yazuru, yusufa, fi maradihi. Yusufu, yusufu, bari'a, 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 fahamida, khaliqahu. Yusufu, bari'a, fahamida, khaliqahu. Yusufu, bari'a, fahamida, khaliqahu. Aishatu, Aishatu, wa khadijatu. Please be taking note of the mad. Don't forget, the essence of this exercise is to make us familiarize ourselves better with mad. Look at Aishatu, wa khadijatu, jaratani, jaratani, Aishatu, Aishatu, tuti'u walidataha wa abaha wa tuhafidhu ala kutubiha. Aishatu tuti'u tuti is mad. Tuti'u walidataha wa anha walidataha wa abaha wa tuhafidhu ala kutubiha. Okay. Khadijatu tuhafidhu ala salatiha wa taqulu sa'adati fi dini wa ta'ati khaliqi Khadijatu tuhafidhu ala salatiha wa taqulu sa'adati fi dini wa ta'ati khaliqi. So this is an example fi rasmil imlah. So meaning, apart from the Quran, if you want to read Arabic text, whether hadith or any other Arabic book, so you have to equally be able to read with all the correct rulings and harakats before it will make the meaning, the actual meaning that the author intended. So for that word, هذا وصلى الله على نبي المصطفى وعلى آله وأصحابه الأيار وسلم تسليما كثيرا. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.